welcome back to another video. Today we are unboxing the Google Pixel 7 Pro. I just literally got this in a few minutes ago, and here's the box. Kind of curious how Google packages its items. It was just this and then the Pixel on top of it, but I mean, an interesting box. You can recycle it. It gives you a whole bunch of instructions and whatnot. But let's go ahead and get this unboxed. As you can see in the front, Google Pixel 7 Pro gives you the picture. On the side we have Google. It's just a box. It's not wasting a lot of time in it. Let's tear the side tabs off. Reminds me a lot of iPhone unboxing. And then just like that, we'll go ahead and slide it up. Get this off to the side, and whoa. Now, I primarily use the iPhone. This is my second Pixel device. I did order the Pixel 6a, but ended up returning it since it was pretty much too small for me. I am currently rocking the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Didn't feel like upgrading to the 14 since the dynamic island didn't attract me in any shape or form. But wow, this looks amazing. I mean, taking it out the box, I went with the white, and it has this silver metal on the side. Aluminum, but I like it. I was gonna go with the gold, the one that had the gold outline, but I didn't really like the green color that it came with. But I gotta say, it looks wow, it looks amazing, and it's big. I believe it's also 6.7 inches. And here we go. We have the under display fingerprint scanner. We have our SIM card tray. We have the volume buttons and the power button. First impressions, I like it. It feels really good in the hand, kind of rounded. This is gonna be my first ever Pixel, I guess, Pro, the big one device, and I gotta say I like it. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Whoa, that display looks amazing. And then for the first time since I believe the Pixel 3, we have a face unlock. But look at this display. I mean, it looks awesome. Let me put it off to the side here, and then check out what else we have. Little booklet instruction, you know what it is, type C, and then you have a little dongle to like transfer files if you want to. It's kind of like a OTG cable, if you know what that is. Pretty common stuff. Let's go ahead and get this out the way. Put this back just in case, you know, we may end up returning it, which I doubt it. I believe I am going to keep this one. Put this off to the side. Let's go ahead and boot up the device for the first time. I gotta say, it feels amazing in the hand. Now, I usually do rock a case with my devices and a screen protector, which I did manage to snag like a pack off of Amazon. Pretty cool. I'll get this installed right after we set it up. But wow, first impressions, it looks amazing. Like I mentioned, this is my first ever Pixel device. I did rock the Nexus 5 for a bit. Actually, I have it in this drawer right here. Pull it out. There we go, the Nexus 5, which I did make a video. I'll link it down below. But this was my last Android phone, and I gotta say, man, I missed going back ever since, you know, the Pixel started coming out. But wow, first impressions, this display looks amazing, and it's huge. I feel like it's bigger than my iPhone for some reason, and not really sure if that's just like a placebo effect, but it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Now, I will get this set up real quick, and I'll come back here in a few minutes. All right, so we are back. Just finished the setup, and I gotta say, just scrolling through the UI and setting it up, it already feels amazing. And this year, like I mentioned, we have the new face unlock, which I'll test it out. And it's not working. Let me see. Looking at it, it didn't do it. Anyways, good thing is that we still have the fingerprints. Got it! Scanner, which should work. Let's see. Oh, gotta put my password to give me a second. There we go. Like I was mentioning, we have the fingerprint scanner still, so we can unlock it that way. And I gotta say, it feels amazing, responsive. Like I mentioned, this is the first time I use it, I guess, like a big screen Android phone, and it feels amazing. I'm already in love with the device, and I will be doing a full-on review of the device features, camera and whatnot, testing it out, seeing how the picture is, and I'll be posting that at a later time. But for the meantime, this was just a little quick unboxing. Hopefully you, if you plan on getting one yourself, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll be trying it out. Like I mentioned, I'll be using an iPhone ever since the iPhone 6 Plus, so it's gonna be a big change for me. So I'll be trying it out, testing it out, see how a long-term iPhone user he likes the Android side, which I did miss ever since, like I mentioned, the Nexus 5. But with all that said, I'll catch you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, and peace.